Hey everybody. So I have no painting to show you since mine from yesterday I wiped off. I still sound just as bad, but I am feeling a bit better even after a 9-hour day with babies who are also coughing on me. So we just cough back and forth on each other. It was adorable. So I have got, hang on, let me grab. What I'm painting on is 8x8 from Blick, cradled 7/8 of an inch thick. So that's what it looks like. And I primed this. I wanted it clear because I am leaving the sides natural. And so I only want to resin the top and let it, it'll get kind of maybe a couple coats so that I get like a domed effect. And then maybe I'll stain the sides, but I want to try them not painted. I primed it with this Golden 100. It's not really, it's an acrylic primer, an extender. And it says 2 coats applied directly to painting, support, help protect against, oh my gosh, I don't even know, against penetration. So it is not, I guess I don't know. It's probably not the best for this, but that's what I'm using. And I have, you should always prime your surfaces. But before I knew to do that, I didn't. And those are still fine. They, but always prime, I should say. I can't advise not to. But this, I'm going to, I really want a thick dome of resin on this. I have it pictured in my mind how I want it, and so hopefully, all right. Roger, I'm not using this yet to blow on, so don't get panties in a bunch. Just using it to spread out. So I know some people use Yupo tape like for resin and stuff, and I want you to chime in because none of the Yupo tapes I buy actually stick. So I don't know how those of you that do it are doing it. I put way too much on. I'm actually going to try and get it into here, which is probably a joke, but I'm going to try. Well, first I'm going to finish this, but I do not want this much on here. Well, that was silly that I even thought that. I did get a little bit in there. Yeah, there's a little bit. Yeah, about that much. If you're a woman watching, it's kind of like when you have to give a urine sample. Enough said. I'm gonna pop the air bubbles. For my mallet smash, I am using Artist Loft Green Yellow. It says iridescent medium in it, but I really can't see much of it. This is a self-mixed violet, so I kind of a deep violet. And then this is, it doesn't have a name on it, so it looks like Artist Loft Metallic Blue, but there might have been something else I added to it. I'm not entirely sure. And it's a small canvas, so I'm just going to do one, or small wood, whatever you want to call this. Let me put a lid on that. I'm going to use just, I have a plastic mallet, camping mallet. So. And it has a more of a domed than the other one. Let's see how deep it is. Yikes. See, that's the problem. This is not going to work, but I'm going to do it anyways. I mean, it is soaking it up. So I suppose it is working. Yeah, I guess it is working. It's just tedious. And I gotta be trying to get rid of the spider web look I've created by doing it. I'm sure this is fascinating. Actually going to no, that didn't work. You can see the iridescent medium and the green now, right in this area. It's weird looking. It's kind of odd. It's a good thing I didn't do 3 puddles like I usually do, because this is spreading up the entire size. Maybe I should say stick with 1, then I don't have to worry about having them joined together. Okay, so this is looking really cool. Now I'm tilting it towards you and to my left. Hopefully trying to get rid of that, fix that area. As you can see, that's not the area that really wants to move. And it's starting to move out of place. So bring it back. I could see these were starting to really tilt. I'd say usually, I wonder how much, since I only primed it with that stuff, I wonder how it'll dry, how much will soak in. We'll see. We'll see if the wood warps. We'll see how it goes. I'm pretty confident that it will be okay. It's going to be a pain in the butt to resin. I can tell you that already. I still have those pieces that are sticky still from like last month when I resined. I haven't done them again. Alright. I like it. Yay, success after last night. Woohoo! Oh, and here's my alcohol ink project so far. I'll have to resin it. Blue's really pretty. Oh, out of focus. Now it's too bright. There we go. I don't know. Ugh. Lighting. All right, so there it is. Thank you so much for watching. I think it'll be super cool because it'll kind of be like it is now with the glare, and it will have the resin dome on top. Maybe I'll stain the sides like a light gray, or maybe leave them natural. We shall see. Thanks for watching. Bye.